Right. Just now I was stopped at explaining MTBF. So MTBF is the mean time between failure. So mean time between failure, if I go back, is like this, right? So this is one cycle of the component, MTTF, MTTR, and then MTTF, MTTR. So between this and this, all right, is called the mean time between failure. So if I can get the uptime divided by the total time, which is the mean time between failure, then I get the probability of in the uptime. So the probability of in the uptime is also known as availability. Therefore, the availability A is defined as such. And based on the previous definitions of MTTF and MTBF, then we can further expand this equation to this point. So the same can be said for unavailability. So unavailability will be the opposite of availability. So I take 1 minus A to get unavailability U. Because probability, the total summations of probability should be equals to 1. Yeah, this I believe you all know. And now when we talk about reliability, we also can talk about reliability in terms of series systems or parallel systems. So the concept of series and parallel in this case is different from the circuit type of series and parallel, but rather this we are talking about series or parallel in the sense of reliability. So when we say that a component are connected in series in terms of reliability, it means that both of the component, right? For example, if you are having only two components, both of the components need to be in the operating state. The keyword is here and. So component 1 and component 2 need to be operable in order for the entire system to be in the up state. So this is what we call the series system, right? Because you have an and, therefore you multiply their reliability together to get the reliability of the system, right? So reliability is also given as the probability as of reliability is also given as the probability of being in the up state. Yeah, and parallel parallel means that only one of the components need to be in the up state in order for the system to function. So you need to take all the state that the component can fill and take the inverse of that, and that will give you the reliability of a parallel system. Um, and then that is a series and parallel systems, right? And then we have, if we extend those concepts further, then we have what we call the repairable component system. I believe I have not enough time, so I better stop here and continue in the next part of